Looking for an AirTag alternative that won't break your bank? Today we are unboxing the Local Tag, a Find My compatible tracker that could save you some serious cash. Here's the Local Tag box. Up front, you see the product name along with its image, and a note that it works with Apple's Find My network. On the side, the tag's color is featured, and the back, you have got detailed specs, certifications, and yes, the Made in China tag. Let's open the box. Inside you will find the lanyard and a user manual. The lanyard feels secure for the price, and the manual is here to help with the setup process. Now, here's the tag itself. In hand, it feels semi-premium, and the quality is impressive for the price. The lanyard attaches through this hole, like so. It's quite secure once it's properly attached, and unlike the Apple's AirTag, you don't need to buy a separate case. This comes ready out of the box. Now, let's take a look inside. The tag can be opened by removing the visible Phillips head screw. I have found that placing it in your palm and twisting it off works best. Inside, you can see the CR2032 battery that powers this device. The construction is straightforward, so replacing the battery when needed should be simple. Closing it back up is as simple, feeling that satisfying click, and you will hear a beeping confirmation as it powers up. I will describe the setup process. Open your Find My application, tap the Items tab at the bottom, and tap the plus icon to add a new item. Select Add Other Item and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. And there you have it. The Local Tag is set up and ready to use. At around 500 rupees, it offers solid value for its basic, reliable item tracking. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.